Using revolve option. In this lesson, we will learn how to apply revolve option to a curve created. First, set the workspace in front view and draw a curve. We can draw the curve in desired shape like this. To undo the drawing, hit backspace on the keyboard. After achieving the desired shape, hit enter button. Now, to revolve this curve, go to surface menu and choose revolve option. Now, revolve option box is displayed. Here we can mention the axis from either X, Y, Z in which we want to revolve our curve. In the surface degree, there are two options named linear and cubic. If linear is selected, the object will be flat. If cubic is selected, the object will be smooth. Now look at segments. Here we can type the number of segments that we wanted for the object which we are going to revolve. Next, in the output geometry, the output geometry of the shape can be determined. If we want it in NURBS, choose NURBS. Otherwise, if we want it in polygons, choose polygons. Now, click on the revolve button. Now, we created a curved surface with 16 segments. If we want to modify the shape further, select the curve and open the outliner from window menu. By selecting the curve in the outliner, the curve in the object will be selected. Now right click and choose Control Vertex. By using the transform tools, we can modify the shape as we like. After the modification process is completed, we can delete the curve. If we wanted to modify this further, right click on it and choose Hull from its components. Select alternate sections in the hull and scale them like this to get a shape like a pumpkin. In the NURBS modeling, smooth surfaced objects like fruits, vegetables can be created. In the next lesson, we will learn how to add loft to the curves.